Some finally Friday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we begin in Sarcoxie with Ryder Kyle turning the big number 1. And look at that adorable little, I believe that's a bunny. I could be wrong.
I think so.
But it looks like a cute little bunny, and I love it, and I love Ryder, and a very happy birthday to you today.
That wasn't weird, Chris.
Hey, why not?
Okay.
He looks cute.
It's a cute picture.
It is a very, I guess
cute.
that's more what I'm going for. I love this picture. It's a great picture, Ryder. Happy birthday. I'm just not going to do any more birthdays, Antonia. You can read the list.
All right. Milo Joe Ascanio turning 7 strong today. Milo Joe is in Pittsburgh attending Southeast Elementary in Cherokee. Birthday love coming from Grandma and Grandpa.
We got Blaine Buchanan turning big number 9 over in Jasper today. Blaine, a very happy birthday to you.
And also in Jasper, turning 12 years old, it's time to celebrate for Baylor Rush.
And we've got Brianna Chandler celebrating birthday number 15 in Grove. Brianna, a very happy birthday to you.
All right. And Mason Honchell celebrating birthday number 17 this year.
And we've got Emily Terrell celebrating birthday number 26 in Carthage. And Emily, this comes with love from the entire family.
All right. Haley Reed celebrating birthday number 26 this year. That's a pretty cool picture. Loving it in Nevada.
And we've got Tristan Thornton celebrating birthday number 27 in Thayer. A very happy birthday to you, Tristan.
Kelly Thomas celebrating birthday number 37 this year. Kelly is on the right in this picture. It was taken from a sister's trip to Salem, Massachusetts last year. How cool is that? That's where you want to go for Halloween. Yep. Happy birthday from your sister, Kim.
And we've got Amanda Miller turning 43 today in Pittsburgh. Amanda, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and if it's Amanda's birthday, it's also time for Amanda and Jimmy's anniversary, celebrating 11 years together with love from the entire family.
And we've got Linda Flood celebrating birthday number 75 today. Linda, a very happy birthday to you.
And out in Asbury, Missouri, Miss Frances Dodd celebrating birthday number 91 this year. Miss Frances, I understand, is a lifelong follower of KOAM.
That's a good thing to do because we've got a lot of great information and great people here. Terry and Sarah North are celebrating their golden anniversary. It's number 50 today in Columbus. Terry and Sarah, a very happy anniversary to you.
An amazing picture. I love that. All right, and our birthday list goes on. We've got Damian Town turning 12 years old, and Scott Goodian is 58 in Afton.
And Kyler and Corbin Coombs are twins, and they are celebrating birthday number 9 in Frontenac today. And Susan Beverly DeShazo in Joplin celebrating a birthday as well. But this birthday list, as long as it was, is not long enough. There's got to be more people celebrating in the 4 states. Tanya's going to tell you how you can let us know about those birthdays and anniversaries.
It's super easy. You can always mail them or drop them by the station, but the easiest and fastest way is to send them through email. Either use birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And, of course, while you're at our website, make sure you check out the KOAM Birthday Club, because you can get some cool deals from local businesses. And, of course, you get a nice birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is check out the KOAM Birthday Club by going to KOAMNewsNow.com.